about it. You want to be a content creator or an inspiring filmmaker. You absolutely can do it. I don't care what nobody say. You can do it. You want to be a content creator, you want to be a videographer, cinematographer, actor, actress, anything you put your mind to, you can do it. You have the power. It's all in your head. So we got the Canon EOS M50, my baby. This is what I use now to shoot. And I like the EOS M50. So many good qualities about it. Like, it zoom out. It has a display screen that flips out. You can vlog from the back like this. It comes with a built-in flash. Most cameras don't have that. I feel like that's necessary. And it also has this right here where you can put more lighting. You can use this for more lighting or a mic. And also does have a place on the side here where you can hook up your HDMI, like if you wanted to do another screen, display screen, so you can see yourself when you're filming. If you didn't have this flip out part. And you also have output or input for your mic, which I really like. And I like this camera because you can do so much with it. It's so small, but it's very big. And you can take pictures with it as well as record. There's a manual focus, audio focus, and you can also change the screen up a bit, which I completely love. Yeah. Next up is Canon GX7 Mark II. I used to have that camera, and I just want to say that's the best vlogging camera you can get. I don't know if it's still around $700, but that is a big price. But it's so small, convenient, and mighty. But it's a great quality camera. I believe it does shoot in 4K too. And it's so compact that you can put it in your bag, your purse, on the go, in your suitcase, in the airport, in your travel bag, carry-on bag. That's why I want to get another one. But first, I'm gonna stick with my Canon EOS M50. I don't know what happened to my Canon GX7. The only thing I have is the screen for it. And I wish I never lost that camera because that was a good camera and I feel like I could have got it fixed. At the time, I didn't really have the money to get it fixed, but I definitely would have got it fixed. I definitely recommend the GX7 Mark II, of course. The only thing I would say the con with the Canon GX7 Mark II would be the fact that you can't switch out the lens. Like for example, the EOS M50, you can take off this lens, which button right here on the side, you just press that down and the lens come off like that, which I really like. I really like that. Cause I plan on getting different lens. I think I want to get one for my birthday. One of many gifts I'm gonna be getting myself. As soon as I hit 10K on YouTube, that's the goal, guys. 10K. Help me get there. Please help me get there. Moving on to number 3, camera number 3. My brother has a Sony camera. Sony's stepping up their game. I'm always a Canon girl. I've always been a Canon girl, but Sony, they've been low key getting my interest because my best friend, she has a Sony and my brother has a Sony and he vlogs with Sony and I like the way the footage is. I might ask him to send me some footage, that way I can put it on the screen for y'all and show y'all how it looks. So crisp. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I believe you can also switch out the lens. So I just asked my brother and he told me the camera that he has is a Sony ZVE 10. That camera is, oh my goodness, it's amazing. The quality, it does have a built-in flash, I believe. It's handheld, it's lightweight, as well as the EOS Canon M50. It's lightweight as well. This is a good camera for a beginner. Like you want to start doing content creation or you want to start filming videos, definitely get you a Canon EOS M50. That's the way to go. I'm telling you, you won't regret this. This is a good purchase and a good quality camera. And I love it because all these cameras you can hook up to a tripod, whether it's big, long, handheld. It's a good way to go and a good way to get started. I've always been a camera girl. I don't know. I love vintage cameras, just looking at them. And it's crazy to think evolution of cameras is just so cool and it blows my mind. But I honestly want to get a wall in my room that's just full of my camera collection. I haven't done that yet, but as soon as I make it, I'll definitely show y'all the video of it. I have like, I want to say I have 5 cameras. Not all of them are working because some of them are very old. I haven't figured out quite yet how to work them, but I plan on getting them fixed. But right now, this is my go-to, the Canon EOS M50. She is beautiful. She is mighty. I love her. I have no complaints. Probably the only complaint is the flash. And you can also download the Canon Connect app and download pictures to your phone, and it also has auto transfer, and where it has the ability for like whenever you're recording, you can watch yourself on your phone, and you can also take pictures of yourself on your phone. Like if you don't have nobody to take your pictures for you, you can set this up on a tripod in your room, download the app, and take pictures, and you can see it on your phone how you're posing. And I absolutely love that. Shout out to Canon for coming up with something like this. This is genius. I wish I could build a camera. One day I will build a camera. Canon, though, if you're watching this video, somebody from Canon's team, and you want to work together, hit your girl up. Let's work together. Let's connect. I absolutely love cameras. I feel like I've always loved cameras. There's just something about cameras. I'm a camera girl. You gotta know me to know how much I love cameras. If you don't know, then you just don't know me. You know? But if you are starting your content creation journey soon or filmmaker journey soon, I just want you to know that I absolutely believe in you. If you haven't heard today or recently, I believe in you. Anything you put your mind to do, you can do. You really can. We in this together. Like, my top 3 cameras, check them out. Let me know if you have the Canon EOS M50 or if you have a Sony. Are you a Canon kind of person? Are you a Sony kind of person? Let me know. I want to know in the comments below, because I'm a Canon kind of person. I don't have nothing against Sony, but I'm definitely a Canon kind of girl. Always been. I feel like I always will be. I won't really know until I get my own Sony camera, because I've also been a Panasonic girl before, but that's a different video for a different day. You feel me? You feel me? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any tips or tricks, please feel free to comment them down below. Or if you have any more questions about my Canon EOS M50, I'll love to answer them for you. But peace. That's it, baby. I'm looking for the hoochie mama.